Good morning, students. We have studied English literature from your Moments book, English literature book, chapter number 4 in the Kingdom of Fools. In the Kingdom of Fools, this chapter we have studied. Today, we are going to discuss the question answers of this chapter. First question is, what are the two strange things the Guru and his disciple find in the kingdom of fools? Its answer will be the first strange thing the Guru and the disciple find in the kingdom of fools is that people there did all their work at night, and they slept they spent their time sleeping the whole day. And the second thing, strange thing, they saw that all the things were so cheap. All the things sold there were so cheap and cost the same. Second number question. Why does the disciple decide to stay in the kingdom of fools? Is it a good idea? Answer. The disciple liked eating too much good food. The food was there so cheap, so he decided to stay there. But it was not a good idea. It was not a good idea to stay there because he could be in danger. One can't say what they would do to him next, because the persons were fools. Third number question. Name all the people who are tried in the king's court and give the reasons for their trial. Answer. The merchant, the bricklayer, the dancing girl, and the goldsmith were the four persons who were tried in the king's court. The merchant was tried for building the weak wall of his house. The bricklayer was tried. Again, I repeat the answer. The merchant, the bricklayer, the dancing girl, and the goldsmith were the four persons who were tried in the king's court. The merchant was tried because the wall of his building had killed a man. The bricklayer was tried for building a weak wall. The dancing girl was tried for disturbing the concentration of the bricklayer. And the goldsmith was tried for because the goldsmith was tried because he had called the dancing girl so many times to his shop for her jewelry. Question number 4. Who is the real culprit according to the king? Why does he escape punishment? The merchant's dead father was responsible for making the weak wall which killed the thief. According to the king, this rich man was the real culprit because he had inherited both his father's riches and sins, sins, riches and sins. But this merchant escaped punishment. Because he was too he was too thin to fit the stake. Question number 5. What are the Guru's words of wisdom? When does the disciple remember them? Its answer will be, Guru was a very wise man. He was full of wisdom. He told the disciple that one could not tell what the fools would do to him next. They could create danger for him any time. And the disciple remembered his Guru's words when he was arrested by the king's men. Last question. How does the Guru manage to save his disciple's life? Answer is, the Guru arrived on the time. To save his disciple's life. He whispered to the king that it was a sacred stake. The first man on the stake would be king and the second man a minister in their next life. The king wanted to be a king again in next life. So he released the Guru and disciple, and the king and minister disguised themselves and went to the stake at night. So students, question answer ends here. That's all. Thank you.